Hi, my name is Divya and this is Dakota. We're running for your sophomore class presidents. We've relied on values, morals, and campaign slogans like TGID, which is a real knee slapper, throughout our campaign. As your sophomore class presidents, we will try to improve many things around the school and accomplish all the goals we have. We'll listen to our fellow students if you want to tell us your ideas to make the school a better place. Don't waste your time worrying about us not doing anything. Please vote for us and we'll take your ideas into consideration. We will not only listen to you people, but we have some ideas of our own, believe it or not. We'd like to make our wonderful learning environment more fun, if that's even possible.
Okay, so a couple of the ideas that we have are we really want to get people involved in the community. We want to set up a couple of group projects to get the school involved in Corvallis and working on CV. We noticed that we've been working for a couple of years to get the recycling and composting projects set up, and so we want to work a little harder to finish that. We think that everyone at CV really has a potential to make a difference, so we want to get all the environmental clubs to help, and everyone just really has been working really hard, but we know that we can push it a little further. And we want to try and get some inspirational speakers to come and talk to the students so that people can relate to the outside world and know that they're not alone. And as much as I hate to admit it, bullying still happens a little bit at CV, and so we want to work harder to make everyone feel welcome so that they have a safe environmental place to learn. And as sophomore class presidents, we would be in charge of the talent show, and so we want to make sure that everyone has fun at the talent show and that it's a success, because all of the funds from that would go into the prom at the next year. And I realize that most of you don't know us very well, but we would really appreciate it if you've considered everything that we've said and vote for us. Thanks for listening. TGID.
I approve this message.